Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity. And of course, one of the best mentors that we have in the Valley Book Foundation. Our Honorable Dr. Mamintal Alonso Jr., the Provincial Governor of Lanao del Sur. I understand the Vice Governor is on his way and he will be representing the Governor himself, Muhammad Khalid Bujang Ratin Jong. Of course, my best half, Attorney Aminuddin Sumagayan, Deputy Speaker and Member of Parliament, whose continued support and initiative made this undertaking possible. Honorable Mayor Engineer Ali Sumaldar, our lead President, Lanao del Sur Chapter, and also our Balay, the honored mayors of our partner municipalities, Honorable Muhammad Juhar D. Sumimba of Tamparan, Honorable Abul Hakim Panandigan of Mulundo, represented by his Municipal Administrator Aliasa Mala, Honorable Mahar P. Dagalangit of Lumba, Balacao, and Honorable Mayor Andy Bag of the Municipality of Bayan, General Billy De La Rosa, Commander 103rd Infantry Brigade, Lieutenant Commander Mark Francis Garcia, Commanding Officer, 5th ID, and other commanders from the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Police Brigade General Christopher Adesha, Regional Director Probar, sir, Police Colonel Gaisar P. Kabuhat, Provincial Director PPO Lanao del Sur, and other PNP officers, the UPA provincial and regional offices, honorable vice mayors of the different municipalities and councilors, barangay chairpersons of the different municipalities, traditional and religious leaders, our respected guests, and most especially our constituents from Taraca, Tamparan, Mulundo, and Lumba Bayabao, who have chosen the path of peace through the voluntary turnover of firearms. Good morning and welcome to the municipality of Taraca, Lanao del Sur. I would like to acknowledge also the presence of my father-in-law, former DPWH Secretary, Engineer Titi Alangin Sumagayan. And of course, Brigadier General Bayan Kurami, PPT Commander Mr. Mindanao Command. Barangay chairpersons of the different municipalities I mentioned already, good morning and welcome to the municipality of Taraca, Lanao del Sur. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Today is not merely a ceremonial activity. It is a public declaration that peace in Lanao del Sur is not only spoken of through policies, meetings, or formal commitments. It is also demonstrated through acts of courage, restraint, and trust. The turnover of small arms and light weapons represents a collective decision to remove instruments of violence from our communities and replace them with lawful governance, dialogue, and mutual accountability. In municipalities such as ours, the municipality of Taraca, Akbaran, Lumba, Bayabao, and Molundo, where families, clan, barangay, and community relations are deeply interwoven. Every firearm surrendered is more than an object being turned over. It is a step away from fear. It is a step toward order. It is a step toward a safer future for our children. We therefore extend our sincere recognition to the firearm surrenderies from the participating municipalities. Your act is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it is an act of responsibility. It is a contribution to public safety, community healing, and the rule of law. To our barangay chairpersons and local leaders, your presence is equally significant. Napaka-importante po ang inyong presensya. Peace cannot be imposed from above. It must be sustained in the barangays, within families, and in the daily lives of our people. Your cooperation remains indispensable in ensuring that this initiative does not end today, but continues as part of our shared responsibility to maintain peace and order. On behalf of the municipal government of Taraca, I also express our deep appreciation to the Deputy Speaker, Attorney Aminuddin Sumabayan, whose support, initiative, and steadfast commitment to peace and development have greatly contributed to this undertaking. His continued partnership with the local government strengthens our capacity to host and support programs that serve not only Taraca but also the greater interests of Lanao del Sur and the Bangsamoro. To our guest of honor, Secretary Mel Sarmiento, pinapangarap sana namin sa galing po, hindi sana siya mawala as our head. But according to him, he has to leave. But I hope he will still mentor us in one of these days, inshallah. Your participation, sir, affirms the continuing commitment of the national government through UPAPRO to peace, reconciliation, and unity in communities that have long carried the burden of conflict, yet have never surrendered their hope for lasting peace. May this joint ceremonial turnover serve as a solemn reminder that peace is a legal duty, a moral obligation, and a collective covenant. Let this day mark another step toward a Lanao del Sur where disputes are resolved through dialogue, where government institutions are trusted, and where our people can live without fear. Once again, welcome to the municipality of Taraca. May Allah bless this undertaking and guide us toward a lasting peace. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayo na. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.